Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to make some chicken cacciatore. Join me, greenhorn tenderfoot, as I show you how. First, the ingredients. You're going to get some oil heating up in a pan. And you can use either chicken thighs or chicken breasts for this. I've used both before. And if you want to speed up this process, you can pre-cook your chicken the day before. Add some salt and pepper. And if you have a splatter guard, it helps avoid some mess. Here I'm just flipping the chicken so that it doesn't completely stick to the pan. Now, since it's mostly going to cook in the sauce, you do not have to cook it completely through. This is just kind of getting a crust on the outside. Now for the secret, a bag of frozen peppers and onions. Takes a lot of the time and prep work out of it. I used probably about 2/3 of that bag. Maybe 3/4, but you can add more or less depending on your preference. Add some garlic. I use 1 clove of garlic per piece of chicken. Some Italian seasoning, which is oregano and basil. I like it a little bit heavier on the basil, so I add some more basil. If I had it, I would use a bay leaf here as well. And 1 can of crushed tomatoes. This is approximately a 32-ounce can. And a can of tomato sauce. This is approximately a 15-ounce can. And you need roughly 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup of wine. I usually will put it in the can to get the bottom of the sauce out of the can. If you don't have wine, you can use water. I've used white wine and I've used red wine. Both taste great. And you're going to put it on the back burner and let it simmer. Chicken cacciatore is a dish from Italy that used to be made by hunters' wives. Didn't always use chicken, it used other game meat, but here we're obviously using chicken. Toss in some sauce into your pasta so it doesn't stick, and plate it out. Enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and comment.